Hello everyone, my name is Afalake Janet Oyelami. I'm just going to do this short video to encourage someone that need it. Today's title is all about how to make use of your angels in this end time. But first, let me give the keyword that summarizes today's topic. Today's keyword says, great armies of angels have been sent out in this end time. If you notice you don't like reading Bible or attending church some years ago, and suddenly you feel like your soul desires strongly to read Bible, go to church and pray. It is this angels army that God is using to wake you up in the spirit. You know why? Because your name is written in the book of life. If you don't have dreams and goals before, and suddenly you strongly decide to start dreaming big and having your goals, it is the angels that are waking you up, because God wants to use your dreams to save lives. You will notice that different technologies have been discovered recently. You will notice that many people have been going to the moon. You will notice that different type of phone has emerged. Do you know why? God said in the end time, He will send His Spirit into the world. The Spirit God is talking about is going to do exploit to individuals who wake up in the Spirit, who discover their gift on time, who discover what God has sent them to do, who make use of their angels on a daily basis. Angels has been sent out in mighty numbers to help individuals to fulfill purpose in this end time. And God is encouraging you today. When you wake up, pray to God, call upon your guardian angels. They are always around you. Tell them what you want them to do for you on a daily basis. It may take time before they bring whatever you ask them to do, but just believe this, that your angels are always ready to listen to you. For your angels are ready for you to send them to do whatever you want them to do, because it is their duties in this end time to make you fulfill your purpose, to make you achieve dreams, to make your dreams to impact life. Hope this encourage you to run after your dreams. Speak to you soon. God bless.